Therapy. We're John and Ashley. Welcome to the Moon Cabin in Joshua Tree, California. Let's show you around.
Come on in.
We bought the cabin in 2016 and it had been empty for 10 years, so we wanted to put the cabin feel back into the cabin. So we did a full renovation.
When we bought the place, we spent all of our money on the down payment and really didn't have enough money left over to do the full renovation. So a lot of the projects that we did in the house, we actually did ourselves. Everything from the doors, which John put together, the light fixtures, and we even took furniture from our home and from friends. We bought at thrift stores, and it really all kind of came together in a wonderful way.
So our favorite spot in the house is actually not in the house, it's the front porch. We have a couple of rocking chairs out there, and it's so quiet in the desert, and it's just a beautiful view, and it's just a great place to enjoy a nice glass of wine.
And a beautiful sunset.
The inspiration for this place is outer space. We wanted it to be kind of futuristic, kind of rustic, and just otherworldly, just like Joshua Tree. My favorite DIY in the house is definitely the kitchen lights. My friend Brandon and I did it over a weekend, and it took some figuring out, but we made it great, and it looks beautiful. The bathroom, the behemoth of tiling this bathroom. We'd never done any tiling before, and Ashley was really adamant about having the space be a statement, and so she wanted to do a herringbone pattern. Of course, having not done any tiling before, it turned out to be very difficult. It took us a rather long time to do. But as you can see, it paid off, and it's beautiful, and really does, make a grand statement.
When we bought the place, we really wanted to have a rustic, modern feel, but then we also wanted to make it feel very modern and lived in. So we decided to do brass accents wherever we could, and decided to name the cabin the Moon Cabin because when we first stayed here, there was a full moon that night. So throughout the space, you'll see themes throughout where we really wanted to highlight the moon, round objects, round surfaces, and even in little details like the pillows. There's crescent moons behind the bed. There's brass accents that are moon phases, and it really ties the entire space together.
My favorite element of the house is probably the barn doors. They actually came up with this really great idea to make a 3/4 wall, and to where the doors would open up and basically the walls would disappear.
My favorite element is the shower because it's big and it took forever. And the entire renovation took 8 months.
Yep. Thanks for stopping by the Moon Cabin. Happy trails.
Happy trails. Bye.
Bye.